Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a business with Trustpilot step by step clearly. To verify your business with Trustpilot, first, visit the Trustpilot website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once you have created an account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Claim Your Business section. Enter your business name in the search bar provided. Select your business from the search results. Follow the prompts to confirm your association with the business. Trustpilot may ask you to verify your identity through an email confirmation. Check your email and click on the verification link sent by Trustpilot. Once verified, return to the Trustpilot dashboard. You will now have access to the tools necessary to manage your business profile. Complete your business profile by providing additional information such as your address and contact details. Upload your logo and cover image to enhance your profile's appearance. Once your profile is complete, submit it for review by Trustpilot. Wait for the review process to be completed. You will receive a notification once your business profile is verified. After verification, you can start collecting and responding to customer reviews. Make sure to promote your Trustpilot profile through your other marketing channels. Regularly monitor your reviews and engage with customers to build trust. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.